During the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, the latter is looking to procure more Western weapons for its military. In this interest, Ukraine is looking to procure Western-made fighter jets to strengthen its air combat capability. Ukraine has been showing its interest in procuring F-16 fighter jets for some time now. And now it looks like Sweden has planned to train pilots and ground staff from Ukraine on how to operate and maintain the single-engine Gripen fighter jets. The Gripen has many commonality to F-16, like both of the jets are single-engine and both of them can fire Western weapons. And both of them are multi-O fighters. Gripen is able to engage its adversaries by firing US-made AMRAAM and Meteor beyond visual range missiles. Ukraine wanted an operational evaluation of these jets. And Sweden is also planning to fund the assistance package for Ukraine. Air Defender 2023, one of the largest air exercises in the NATO's history, has begun and will take place from June 12 to 23. With Germany being the biggest organizer, around 25 nations are taking part in this exercise. With the breakout of Russia-Ukraine conflict, it was necessary for the forces of NATO and US to come together as allies. In this exercise, around 250 aircrafts of various role and capability is involved with a personnel strength of 10,000. The air exercise is taking place over 3 airspaces, and aircrafts depending on their role and category are deployed in different parts of Germany. This will enhance interoperability with the various fighter jets of the involved countries and will strengthen cooperation between the allies. Apart from fighters, refuelers, transport aircraft, bombers are also part of this exercise. Patriot missile system have showcased its capability in Ukraine and have destroyed many of the incoming threats. There were reports saying Ukraine was successful in intercepting targets coming at hypersonic speeds. However, the Patriot systems comes with a heavy price tag of about $1 billion. It is expected that Ukraine might get the 5 new systems by the end of 2024. These new systems would help Ukraine cover a larger area of the country. The system is said to have detected and destroyed Kinzhal missiles as well. Till now, Ukraine has got 2 batteries of Patriot system. The manufacturer is looking to expand its production capabilities due to growing demands. US also has to replenish its stockpile of munitions due to donations to Ukraine. India might acquire MQ-9B armed drones from the US. The much capable drones will help India in keeping a close eye on its hostile neighbors on both eastern and western borders. The reports of India-US deal for these drones have been in talks for quite some time now. It is expected that the deal will be announced next week when Indian Prime Minister visits the US. The drones will be acquired for the Indian Navy, Air Force, and Army. The numbers are expected to be around 30 in total. Indian Navy is already using 2 drones leased from US since November 2020. These drones can carry a wide range of roles, including early warning, electronic warfare, surveillance, anti-submarine warfare, and reconnaissance missions.